Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to show you how to create a shared Google Calendar easily. So without further ado, let's get started. Open any web browser of your choice. I'll be using Google Chrome. Once it's open, go to the address bar and type in calendar.google.com. Alternatively, if you are already on Google page, click the apps icon in the top right corner and select calendar from the menu. This will take you to the straight to the main calendar interface. From here, you can change the theme. You can keep your device default theme or switch between light or dark mode. Let's go with dark mode this time. As we can see, dark mode has now been enabled successfully. Now on the left side, you will see the My Calendar section. To create a new calendar that you can share with others, hover over the plus icon. It will show add other calendars and then select create new calendar. Now give your calendar a name. I will call mine SAS-based share calendar. You can also add a description if you would like. Once you are done, click create calendar. After a few seconds, your new calendar will be ready to go. Next, let's add an event to this share calendar. Go back to the main page, click the create button in the top left corner and select event. Give your event a name, for example, team meeting. You can set it as a task or appointment and a location or description if needed. Before saving, click the calendar drop down at the bottom and select the calendar you just created. You can also change the event color. Let's set it to yellow. Once everything looks right, click save. To test that is it's working, uncheck the calendar checkbox on the left. The event will disappear. Check it again and the event reappears, confirming everything is set up correctly. If you would like to change the color of the calendar, click the three dot icon next to it in the list on the left and pick your preferred color. Now let's share the calendar with others. Click the three dot again and select settings and sharing. Scroll down to share with specific people or groups. Then click add people and groups and enter the email address of the person you want to share with. Before sending the invitation, choose the right permission level. If you only want them to view your schedule, select see all event details. If you want them to add, edit or delete events, select make changes and see all event details. Once you have set the permission, click send. An email invitation will go out to the particular person, and as soon as they accept it, the calendar will appear in their own Google Calendar. If you ever want to remove someone from the shared calendar or change their permission, just go back to the settings and sharing and click the X next to their name to remove them. And that's how easy it is to share a calendar on Google. And that's it, guys. Now you know how to create a calendar on Google and share it with others. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Tata, take care.